Builderall review. In this video, I will talk about Builderall Website Builder. I will explain pros, cons, features, and pricing of it. First, let's talk about features. Builderall is a website builder and digital marketing platform built into one product. It can help you create, launch, and develop an online business. If you're a budding entrepreneur or a small business owner who's launching a new site or service, Builderall can give you the tools you need to get things underway, as well as giving you everything you need to turn your site into a success. Overall, Builderall is best suited for individuals and small businesses looking to establish or expand their online presence. Features: all in one platform. Builderall combines website building, email marketing, social media management, traffic generation, and design tools into a single platform, providing users with a comprehensive suite of resources for their online business needs. Extensive toolset. With over 30 tools and features available, Builderall offers a diverse range of functionalities, including website building, email marketing automation, CRM integration, sales funnel creation, webinar hosting, e-commerce capabilities, and more. Regular updates. Builderall consistently updates its platform with new features and enhancements to keep up with evolving user needs and technological advancements, ensuring that users have access to the latest tools and resources. User-friendly interface. Despite its extensive feature set, Builderall maintains a user-friendly interface, making it accessible to users with varying levels of technical expertise. Its drag-and-drop functionality and intuitive design tools simplify the process of creating and managing online assets. Plans start at $14.90 per month for the Essential plan. The Premium plan, priced at $69.90 per month, offers access to all features. Pros: comprehensive feature set. Builderall provides users with a wide range of tools and resources to support various aspects of online business management, from website creation to marketing automation and sales funnel optimization. Regular updates. Builderall consistently updates its platform with new features and enhancements, ensuring that users have access to the latest tools and technologies to stay ahead in the competitive online landscape. User-friendly interface. Despite its extensive feature set, Builderall maintains a user-friendly interface, making it easy for users to navigate and utilize its tools without requiring advanced technical skills. Flexible pricing. Builderall offers flexible pricing plans to accommodate different business needs and budgets, allowing users to choose the plan that best suits their requirements. Cons: complex interface. While Builderall strives to be user-friendly, some users may find its interface confusing, particularly when navigating through its extensive feature set, which could hinder the efficiency of their workflow. Sales funnel challenges. Finding the right sales funnel configuration within Builderall can be challenging, and the quality and consistency of its tools may vary, impacting the effectiveness of users' marketing strategies. No free plan. Unlike some competitors, Builderall no longer offers a free plan, which may deter users who prefer to test a platform before committing to a subscription. So if you're ready to take your online business to the next level, Builderall could be the all-in-one solution you've been searching for. That's it for today's video. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Thanks for watching.